This is a video on our biological potting soils at Frog Valley Tropical Fruit Farm, and I had done a 1 through 4 video of some potting soils we use, the Biodynamic compost, and some a new potting soil that I was testing, and it was just straight up dried Zebu manure that I soaked in water overnight. Water moves right through it, which is what you want for potting soil. So I kind of knew it would be perfect. And here is the proof. The seeds are all coming up, and they're coming up also in the compost, but I already knew that worked. That's a little cacao seedling. I had to put this wire on because I saw rats inside the pot eating my cacao seeds, and I didn't want that. So I have to grow all our own plants because nobody really starts them right that I know of, and I want them started right. I want them to grow strong right from the start. I want them to be able to cycle nutrients from the ground and the air and the water, and I want them to have the best start possible. So I had read about or saw that Zebu or cow manure, rehydrated cow manure, can be used for doing cuttings of star fruit or star apple. Excuse me, big difference. And so I wanted to try it because I have some really great varieties of star apple, like Juicy Pearl and DPI Gold and Oscar's Giant Purple. So I wanted to propagate them because they're not fruiting yet, and I wanted to see if I could propagate them through cutting. So I rehydrated some of this Zebu manure again and crumbled it up and put it in there and watered them. And I also have a Garcinia humilis and Inga spectabilis and Inga fuilii mixed in here, cuttings of each, because you want to have a diversity of plants, or I do, growing in the same pot. I'm fairly certain this is going to work, because what you want is for the water to be distributed evenly and stay that way and not fluctuate, and in a neutral pH, which is what this is. So it should work. I'm really excited to see, and if this is a new way that I can propagate these trees, watch out, because that's a total game changer for me. And hopefully, if they're started correctly, they will know how to cycle nutrients and be able to plant it even in drought conditions and survive and thrive. Anyway, this is Frog Valley Tropical Fruit Farm, and I wanted to just do a video on biological soils for doing tropical fruit tree cuttings, and an update on our biological potting soil seeds that we planted a few days ago. Have a good day.